What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy T. Back again. Seemed like been a while, man. Back again today with another beater box. Man, I hope y'all can see the difference. This light is bright. Your boy went ahead and got a ring light, man, so you guys can finally see. See if I can turn it up, man. See, look how bright that thing get. That's crazy. Anyway, man, today I got a $565 Sole Supremacy beater box, man. Best company in the building to do this. I don't know why I said in the building. Best company to do this, man. I see a lot of other companies doing it now, and right now I'm just sticking with Sole. My neighbors out here cutting grass, so I decided at the perfect time to shoot a video. Let's jump on in, man, without rambling too much. My neighbors are addicted to cutting grass. I don't know what it is, and I try to keep up with them, but that's not happening. They all retired, so they can have it. 565 bucks. Man, I got 2 pair without boxes. I got some nylon Jordan 12s, no box, size 8. Man, this light does help out a lot. You guys really can't see this. Pretty good now. Check out the bottom. Boom, nylon 12s, size 8, no box. Show y'all the toe box. A little bit of creasing. Overall, not too bad though. Too bad don't have a box. Next up, we have some Baron 13s. A little discoloration on the sole. Size 11.5. No box. Check those out. I feel like this light blinding me. I'm gonna dim it down some. Boom. Size 11.5. No box. A little discoloration on the soles, but I mean, if you can get that back white, then you in the game. All right, that is the last pair. I see an interesting box down here, man. I've had that box before, and it wasn't my size. This box looked big. But anyway, that was the last pair without a box. Next up, I have a NMD R1 PK in a size 11. NMD R1 PK. I like NMDs. I like the way they look, but they do not look good on my feet. And I'm gonna dim this down a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see it good still. I don't want it too bright and kind of blast out the shoe. These are in really good shape though. I don't know the nickname to these. NMDs, they drop so many colorways, you can't keep up with the name of those. So unless they was a exclusive or something like that. Nothing too fancy, just a triple white NMD, size 11. You guys know what this is by the box. 72 and 10, we got a size 8. We have some 72 and 10s. All right, these look like they're in great shape also. Really good shape. Check them out. Slow it down so you guys can see it. Check out the bottom. Pretty good shape. Not bad at all. 72 and 10s to me was a slept on 11. They have pretty good material. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the milky bottom that turned people off from them or what. But 72 and 10s was cool to me. You guys know how I do 11 boxes. I'm not putting it back together right now. Next up, another size 8 and another Jordan 11. This Jordan 11 box is a lot easier to function with. So we have a navy and gum Jordan 11. These are very clean. Not even too much wrinkling in the toe box. Check those out. Look at the bottom, still super nice. Very good pickup right there. Jordan 11s move fast. I can't keep Jordan 11s in stock, so size 8, not a super bad size. I haven't had too many size 8 people come my way actually, but it's a Jordan 11, so they'll pop up. We got a size 12. Tell from the box what it is. We got a Jordan 1 low. Jordan 1 low prices have been skyrocketing lately. I don't know about this particular pair because I have never even seen it. I don't even know what the name of it is. They are dead stock, so no need to pull out the other one. Trying to get this thing to focus on the stars. Dead stock, man. I don't know what the name is. I'm pretty sure I'll have it on the screen for you guys. Size 12. I'm getting closer and closer to this box. I know what it is. I'm gonna tell you now, I know what it is, but I don't know what size it is. Somebody sold their whole collection of sold, man. This is a size 8. I had another box I didn't film, and it was majority size 8s also. Man, I get probably 2 to 3 boxes a week now, and just due to time limitations, I don't shoot all of them, but I'm trying to get that figured out too. These are Black Cat Jordan 13s, not dead stock, have some toe box creasing. I also have a size 13 in stock of these Black Cats. I had gotten a beater box, and they're in really good shape too. But these right here, they do have some toe box creasing. 13 all black kicks, easy to rock. Last up, I'm not gonna look at it, I'm not gonna look at the size, I'm not gonna look at the size. I see it. 10.5, man. If these things are dead stock, are close to dead stock, you guys know what it is from the box, I hope. These are the public schools. PSN wise. Not a replacement box. I had to hurry up and pull that out. And I think I just got some instant keepers, man. Size 10.5, my size. These are dope. Oh my gosh, these are one of my favorite 12s to ever drop. Not an OG colorway. I will be keeping these. These are instant keepers going in the collection ASAP. The insoles still look very clean. Probably disinfect them a little bit, wipe them down. Man, this is a straight come up. I had got these dead stock. If you guys been following the channel for a while, I got these dead stock in a size 8 and sold instantly. That was my first time seeing them. I knew I was gonna eventually get them. Didn't know it was gonna come in a beater box in my size. So, bro, this is a blessing, man. I wanted these so bad. These are clean. I was not trying to pay the sticker price for them. Luckily, I don't. These still go for around $300 to $350 used. So, I will be throwing these in a drop front really, really fast, man. I'm so happy. Golly. I love Soul Supremacy, man. This is the reason why I do beater boxes, man. This is the reason why I started doing beater boxes. So that's what's up, man. So all the rest of these will be up for sale. Instant keepers right here, man. I'm gonna wait till I turn the camera off to start yelling, but these are fire. For those of y'all who want to see my sneaker collection, man, I'm gonna shoot a video eventually, man. I got a lot of videos I want to shoot. Just due to time constraints, man. I promise y'all, I got some stuff going on outside of YouTube and just in my personal life to just keep me from shooting videos and editing and giving it all that time like that. But I promise y'all I will get y'all a sneaker collection video. It's trash, bro. These are dope, but I mean, like, most of my stuff, like I said before, is runners and stuff like that. And it rotates so fast. I get beater boxes in, so like I get a pair of something like this, I will take a pair out of my collection to replace, you know, to put these in and replace it. Like I don't keep 100 pair of shoes in my personal collection, anything like that. Just bare minimum, just because all I do is go to the gym and go to work. So today I'm actually going to a wedding while I'm rushing through this video. Shout out to my boy JoJo. Yeah, man, I'm about to put these things up. Very happy, very surprised, man. Dope, dope, dope. Hopefully you guys sub to the channel. we'll have more beater boxes coming in as always. I always have them. So hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, eBay, everywhere at TGOTSOLE. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this light made it a little bit more easier for y'all to see the shoes. If you need better pictures or anything you're interested in, just DM me or email me and I get you some more pictures. I think that's gonna be about do it. Subscribe though, man. I got more boxes coming. I should have videos going out, hopefully. I'm not gonna promise you, but I will be doing my best to get you guys more videos. Because it helps me, it helps y'all, it's entertaining. So whether you cop something or not, I really do appreciate you guys watching the video. So with that being said, I'm out. Peace.